we're going to look and compare the ebook and the textbook. To start, the textbook can open up to the table of contents, and this shows everything that you will find in the book. And then we have the different chapters, and following these chapters, and the chapter page shows it gives you kind of an overall look at the chapter itself. After that, we can find the discussion questions to engage the reader, as well as key terms. And then from there, we can find the notes that can be referred to throughout the book, and it gives you the different chapters, and it keeps it very organized. And then following that, we have the glossary, which has the terms in bold and the definitions following them. And then we have the name and subject index, and this is the reference for all of the names in the book and the page numbers to find them at, as well as the terms in the book. And the terms in the book are, for this subject index, is a bit more expansive than the glossary. And then we go from the textbook to the ebook. Now the ebook this is through Google Play, the one I'm using right now, and the book is called Midnight Lambed. And right now I'm on chapter 1, so we can just easily scroll through the different pages, and you can see this little dot moving. This shows the progression of where I am in the book. And then we can also find the contents. This will take me to the different pages in the book. And then say we bookmark, we can find chapter 8 bookmarked, easily accessed, so if you're referring back and you know you want to find that. We also have notes. We can add margin notes. Right now there are none. And then we have the different display options that make it more easily accessible to readers who maybe have hard seeing and such things. And then we have the search in the book, another helpful way to navigate it. And then we also have the help section, of course, and this is just standard. And so yeah, we also have info cards that are also available. And so we can see that progression where we're going back up in the book. This is the table of contents. This is also, you can see it kind of goes from an arrow to a hand, so I can click on one of these and go to the chapter of my choice, as well as the title page, which shows up like this. From here you do have to click on the bottom arrow, a bit more manual, and then you go right back to the rest of it. So they both offer similar features. I mean, in the book you can also, write in the margins and different things. I would just say this makes things a bit more easily accessible and kind of takes some of the workload off of the user.